Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
8 foods to naturally cleanse your liver. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a food rich in allicin and selenium. These two elements are ideal for cleansing the liver and keeping it healthy. Garlic also activates the enzymes that eliminate toxins, which will help prevent diseases as it cleans this organ that can be affected. This is one of the most recommended foods for the liver. Its consumption also helps control cholesterol, improve circulation, and raise your defenses. It's best to consume it raw because it loses 90% of its effectiveness when you cook it. You can eat it alone or add it to your meals. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric has properties that are very beneficial for your liver. According to specialized studies, this plant has substances like borneol, turmerone, eugenol, and caffeic acid, which act as great protectors for this organ because they cleanse and detoxify, which will keep it in good health. Its ingredients help fat digestion, and it is a good remedy for slow digestion caused by a bad diet. We recommend taking turmeric for jaundice, cirrhosis, and liver diseases. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil protects your liver tissue from oxidative damage. According to studies, this oil is equal to that of linseed and hemp. They have a lipid base that absorbs toxins so that the organ will function better. They help cleanse it naturally and also prevent it from diseases. Consuming olive oil can also reduce the risk of coronary heart disease and prevent some kinds of cancer. We recommend adding it to your meals and using it as an alternative to different oils normally used in the kitchen. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which acts as a natural antioxidant. Moderate consumption of this cleanses your liver and prevents it from many diseases. The most recommended citrus fruits to receive these benefits for your liver are lemons, limes, and oranges. 5. Almonds. Almonds are rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps detoxify, which is why it is a highly recommended food for cleansing your liver. Its components that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione support the different functions that naturally cleanse the liver. 6. Grains. Whole rice and other grains are very beneficial for your liver due to the high levels of complex B vitamins. Thanks to this, the liver improves fat metabolization, decongestion, and its function in general. We recommend using wheat alternatives instead of the white flours you normally consume. 7. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like lettuce, cabbage, etc. neutralize heavy metals, pesticides, and other chemical products that can affect your body. These are great cleansers for the liver because they help eliminate toxins and regulate the saturated fats that can affect its proper functioning. 8. Green tea. Green tea and its components help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. It contains catechins and antioxidants that keep liver diseases at bay and offer a protective effect. Studies show that green tea helps keep away the negative effects of toxic substances like alcohol and prevents inflammation in the liver.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.